Welcome back, dear student. Last class we discussed about the meristematic tissues, classification, characteristics, function and location we discussed here. Today we are discussing about permanent tissue.
Permanent tissues. It is a group of cells in which growth has either stopped completely or for the time being. They are non dividing cells. They become specialized and remain same throughout their life. It forms the bulk of plant body. These are derived from meristematic tissue. They do not divide further. Permanent tissues are again classified into simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue again divided into two on the basis of their function: protective tissue and supportive tissue. Protective tissue consists of cells with thick walls. These are found on the surface of roots, stems, and leaves. For example, epidermis of leaves which secretes a waxy waterproof substance. Supporting tissue again divided into three: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Complex permanent tissue again divided into two: xylem and phloem. Let us discuss about simple permanent tissues. They are parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Let us discuss about parenchyma. These are composed of large thin-walled cells with intercellular spaces. They are living cells. These are mainly located in the soft parts of the plant. It helps to store food materials. It provides temporary support to the plant. For example, potato. These are mainly composed of parenchyma cells. Then collenchyma. These are mainly made up of parenchymatous cells which are elongated. These are thick at the corners or edges. These are mainly located in the leaf stalks and below the epidermis of stems. It gives support to the plant parts. Third one, sclerenchyma. These are mainly composed of long, narrow, and thick cells. These are dead cells. These are mainly located in stems and veins of the leaves as fibers. It provides strength to the plants. These are the pictures of parenchyma tissue, collenchyma tissue, and sclerenchyma tissue. Let us discuss about complex permanent tissues. They are xylem and phloem. Xylem is thick-walled tubular dead cells. These are placed end to end like drain pipes. The partitions between the cells dissolve to form long pipelines for the transport of water and minerals. These are mainly composed of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. All xylem forms the wood and it does not participate in transport. Let us discuss about phloem, complex permanent tissue. These are living tubular cells which provides a passage for the downward and upward movement of the food manufactured in the leaves to various parts of the plant. It mainly consists of sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. These are the xylem and phloem tissues.
Today we discuss about the permanent tissue, classification, function and characteristics already we discussed here. Next day we will discuss about animal tissue.